you remember to make the pizza have 10 minutes, today we're making a chocolate pizza, which is a pizza just as dessert. The ingredients will be Greek pita bread, chocolate spread, banana, blueberry. We're gonna use that to make the chocolate pizza. First, we will do chocolate spread. First, you put it to you, then you get it. It's a little sticky, and then put it. How much time would this take to get off anyway?
Just spread it on top. Grab more and just spoon it on.
This?
You can use your fingers if you want. You washed your hands, right?
Yes.
Perfect. Get more.
More chocolate spread. You could break it and then it comes faster when it's going down. If you could do that, it's fine. It is fine. You could pull it on circles and leave a little space where you could eat it from there, like pizza. That looks good. Now we could use the banana. You get a lot with the chocolate, and now you could just put the bananas. Don't forget to put spaces. Spaces are for the blueberries. This one is gonna be small. Pita bread is so small, we need to make a small one. There's a lot of spaces for the blueberries is because the only spots are small and the blueberries are pretty small. The big one's not enough, but there it goes. Now if you would like, if your hands are a little with everything, if you like, you could just lift them or put them in any way you like.
You could wash your hands.
You could wash your hands too, get a paper. You could do any way, and now we could just, the finishing touch is to cut it and eat it. When the grown-up is done helping you cut it, now the only thing is to eat it. Get a piece and just eat it. This is so good.
Your mouth is full of chocolate.
Your chocolate spread.
Would you like some almond milk?
If you like, you could get some milk and eat.
You want some almond milk? All right, let me get you some.
It's okay if your mouth is full of chocolate because there's a lot of ways to clean it. The best way is to just wash your face. I hope you like the chocolate pizza recipe. Make sure to make it at home. Put subscribe, and I see you next time. Bye.